Hi, welcome back to Missing Chemistry. We're going to work on two more covalent compound names. The first one I'm going to put up is going to be IBr3. So we'll go ahead and work with that one first. This element is called iodine, okay? And this element is called bromine. Well, if you look on a periodic table, you'll notice that iodine and bromine are both considered nonmetals. So nonmetal plus a nonmetal make a covalent compound. All right, so let's go ahead and let's write the name for this. All right, so we're going to write iodine. We're not going to change the name of the first one. So we go iodine. Now, why don't we call it monoiodine? Because technically we have a 1 right there, but we don't write it. Why don't we use it? Well, because you never use mono. So do not, and I mean repeat, do not use mono in the first name. It's fine in the second name, but never in the first name, okay? So remember that little pointer. That's important. Do not use mono in the first name. All right, so let's go ahead and erase this. So now what we're going to look at, we are going to go ahead and name this. So we know that's iodine, and we know that this, of course, is bromine. All right. However, we're not going to call it bromine. So like if you were to write iodine, say, bromine, you would be wrong. Okay, the tri is correct because we do have the number 3. And that's the correct prefix for it. However, we don't use INE. We change that to IDE. So in actuality, this is going to be iodine tribromide. Okay, and that's the correct way to do it. Let's go ahead and erase this example. Let's try one more. Again, naming covalent compounds is not really hard to do. There are just a few simple rules that you have to watch out for. All right, let's try another one. I tell you what, let's write the name and then let's try to figure out the chemical formula. Let's try this. Let's try selenium tetrachloride. Well, that's hard to say. Selenium. SLENIUM tetrachloride. All right, so look. So selenium is, of course, going to be the element symbol for selenium is Se. See that tetra right there? That means 4. Okay? So we have Se. Chlorine is Cl. So since we have a 4 for tetra, we're going to put a 4 right there. And that's how you do it. Well, that's it for this lesson. You guys be snarly. And, of course, we will see you back here at Missing Chemistry.